What up, everybody? I know you guys are looking at this. It's all here. But basically, this is real. I'm going to make it quick. I'm going to make it easy. Here's one of the number one people I've worked with, which is Colors of Autumn. And this is a PDF we built out directly from everything that we learned about OnlyFans and how to grow your Instagram, as well as how to grow your OnlyFans. And then as well to getting products, deals, and stuff like that as well. This is the exact PDF right here that you will receive. Once you join the Bunny Agency, you will receive all of this in return. It's going to express everything in here. Or you don't join it and you literally just watch this video in slow-mo and read this. I really don't care actually either way. But that's the opportunity that we have here, is being able to directly have all the information you need to get exactly what you need to get done on the OnlyFans platform. And truly from someone who's already put the system together and is just repeatedly every single month skyrocketing in the top 1% of the OnlyFans platform. So from all the ones who've been following me and stuff like that, please make sure you comment down below if you're excited about getting the PDF. And for the other ones who don't know me, please subscribe to my page and comment down below too, because I really need your help. I really need your help. My friends are really looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm like, we do what we want. You know what I'm saying? We do what we want. But no joke though. I'm super excited to be building all this out and really helping everybody learn about what the OnlyFans platform could do for you, and also adjusting in this industry of what's coming out in 2020 and the possibilities that every industry has when it's changing, even this industry. So if you're here and you've been giving me a shout out, you've been hitting me on the pages, you've been following my actual YouTube channel, you know, help me out, because the more comments and love and watches you give me, I get to like increase my camera gear. You know what I'm saying? I get to increase the microphone. We get to up the production, everything. So, you know, we support you guys by giving you as much great information as we possibly can. And you support by getting to the bag. It's like that simple. I'll see you guys on the other side, though. So